Hi everyone, this is Dr. Nitin Choda with Ignition Time and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being a viewer. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. I want you to know that I appreciate you, and the way you can reward me and my team for our efforts is simply click the like button, simply click the subscribe button and enable notifications so you get instant updates from our channel going forward. Also, if you learn something new from this video, please consider sharing the video with friends and families. That's all we ask for. Now, I'm going to give you some new information that came from the White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows, and also, as I'm recording this, my team just informed me that some surprising new comments are coming in from the Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell. We're still organizing that information. We're gathering that information. There was a closed door lunch today between the Senate Majority Leader and other Republican senators, and he said some things that, that we'll talk about in the next video, because some pretty dramatic things have happened this afternoon. And like I said, we're organizing our information. And also, the president walked out of an interview, a 60 minutes interview. We'll talk to you about that in the next video as well, because that information is coming in as I'm recording this video. But I wanted to get this information out to you first. The White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows, essentially contradicted himself today. Here's what the White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows, said in an interview, and this was on CNBC today. So the White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows, says, I want to stress we're not down to a difference of language and a few dollars. We still have a ways to go. So he said, I want to stress we're not down to a language of, let me repeat, I want to stress we're not just down to a difference of language and a few dollars. We still have a ways to go. And at the same time, the White House Chief of Staff said, and he told CNBC's Sarah Eisen, that President Trump is, I quote, very bullish on not letting a dollar amount stand in the way of a deal. So he did say President Trump is very bullish on not letting a dollar amount stand in the way of a deal. And at the same time, he said there are still several $100 billion apart between the two parties. So, I mean, I do believe that that's contradictory. Let me know if you see something else in your interpretation. And he said, when he was asked what is the priority of the Senate, is it the nomination of Judge Amy Coney Barrett so she becomes Justice Amy Coney Barrett? I have a plane going over my head. I'll wait. Hopefully you guys can't hear it now. But he was asked, what is the priority? Is it the nomination of Amy Coney Barrett? And he said, or is it the stimulus package? And the White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows, said that's a false choice because we can do both. He said that's a false choice because we can do both. We will do both. I thought that was very interesting in terms of the priorities. And let's be very clear, as far as the Senate Republicans are concerned, their priority is the nomination of the Supreme Court justice and then the stimulus. In fact, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell pretty much said so in the lunch today with Republican senators, and he has not publicly committed to a vote of a bill that is the result of an agreement between the U.S. Secretary Steven Mnuchin and House Speaker Pelosi. So there could be an agreement and there could be something that's passed by the House, but it does not look like at this point in time that it'll be voted on the floor of the Senate, regardless of the Democratic senators in the Senate who would support this, regardless of the Republican senators in the Senate who would support this, which is surprising. And I'll give you more information about that shortly on our channel. And here's a key quote again from White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows from this interview. He said, I want to stress we're not just down to a difference of language and a few dollars. We still have a ways to go. So here's the bottom line. Number one, the two sides are still very far apart. House Speaker Pelosi has been saying consistently, hey, we're optimistic. And U.S. Secretary Steven Mnuchin is apparently, the willing soldier to try and get this deal done. The president has said that he wants to do a large package, larger than the $2.2 trillion. But the White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows, is saying, again, I'm going to quote him, I want to stress we're not just down to a difference of language and a few dollars. We still have a ways to go. And then on top of that, you have the Senate Majority Leader basically saying, not committing publicly to bringing a vote on the floor of the House. These are the contradictions that are taking place. I will do another video on our channel very shortly. You'll see it very shortly. That'll be the next video on our channel that gives you an analysis, that gives you an idea of where exactly the Senate Majority Leader is and how that stacks up with the President of the United States and what House Speaker Pelosi is saying. So we'll look at things from a big picture standpoint, and I think it'll give you the answer about exactly where stimulus is headed. So definitely make sure you subscribe, make sure you enable notifications. Also, if you learned something new from this video, please consider clicking the like button. My name is Dr. Nitin Choda with Ignition Time. Here's some information about me. You'll know who I am, what my journey has been like, and why you should listen to me. Also, you can click here and you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.